When discussing the welfare of animals, it is common to draw a distinction between pet animals, farmed animals, and wild animals. Pet animals are raised mainly for companionship or entertainment. For example, that's your beloved cat, dog, or hamster. Farmed animals are domesticated animals raised mostly for agricultural or industrial purposes. For example, cows, chickens, fish, sheep, pigs, and more. Wild animals include species that live in an undomesticated state, though the definition has come to include all organisms that grow or live in the wild in an area without being introduced by humans, for example, wild tigers or bears. Much of what we discuss in this lesson is relevant to animals at large. However, we will focus on farmed animals. You'll soon see that this is a large group we have a lot of influence over, hence it's crucial to discuss our moral obligations to them. Can you estimate how many farmed animals there are in the world? It may surprise you, but currently it's estimated that over 110 billion farmed animals are alive at any given moment. To put this into perspective, consider that the current global human population is approximately 8 billion, and that the total number of people that have ever lived on Earth is roughly equal to the number of farmed animals alive right now. Moreover, the number of farmed animals doubled in the last 2 decades alone, and we expect the numbers to continue to increase. To give some concrete numbers, projections suggest that in the next few years there will be an increase of over 4 billion land animals and 18.5 billion fish. It's estimated that over 90% of farmed animals are raised in what's called industrial animal farming, which is a type of intensive agriculture designed to maximize production while minimizing costs. We'll explore the conditions of factory farming in a few units. For now, let's focus on the fact that these numbers suggest that there are more farmed animals than humans, by a lot. The size of this group is quite significant. Suppose we believe that we carry an obligation to the welfare of farmed animals. In that case, even if this obligation is smaller than our obligation to fellow humans, the huge number of farmed animals means we may conclude that we should act in their favor, at least in certain circumstances. And even if we're quite skeptical that the welfare of animals matters at all, the size of the farmed animals group means that if we are wrong about having no obligation to such animals, a lot is at stake. Hence, we should probably, at the very least, investigate further. In particular, we should want to understand what animal welfare is and whether we should have different definitions for different species, what was already done in the field, and if we want to act, what we can do.